You can make a delicious streusel coffee cake mix in minutes. Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delightful treat in store for you, a mouthwatering streusel coffee cake mix recipe. Get ready to indulge in layers of moist cake, buttery streusel, and a heavenly glaze. It's the perfect accompaniment to your morning cup of coffee or an afternoon pick-me-up. So, grab your aprons and let's get baking. Ingredients: 1 box of yellow cake mix, 1 cup sour cream, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1/4 cup water, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the streusel topping, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 cup cold unsalted butter, cut into small pieces, 1/2 cup chopped nuts, optional. For the glaze, 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9 by 13 inch baking pan or line it with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cake mix, sour cream, vegetable oil, water, eggs, and vanilla extract. Beat the mixture on medium speed with an electric mixer for about 2 minutes, or until well combined and smooth. In a separate bowl, prepare the streusel topping. Mix together the flour, brown sugar, and ground cinnamon. Add the cold butter pieces and use a pastry cutter or your fingers to cut the butter into the dry ingredients until crumbly. Stir in the chopped nuts, if using. Pour half of the cake batter into the prepared baking pan. Sprinkle half of the streusel topping evenly over the batter. Spoon the remaining batter over the streusel layer and smooth it out. Top with the remaining streusel. Bake in the preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean and the streusel is golden brown. While the cake is baking, prepare the glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth and creamy. Once the cake is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Drizzle the glaze over the slightly warm cake. Allow the cake to cool completely before serving. Cut into squares and enjoy. That's a wrap on our delicious streusel coffee cake mix recipe. We hope you enjoyed this video and are inspired to recreate this delectable treat in your own kitchen. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. And as always, let us know in the comments how your streusel coffee cake mix turned out. We love hearing from you. Stay tuned for more mouthwatering recipes and culinary adventures. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.